This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Good morning, everyone. This is video number 14 from our Excel course. I hope you find it well. In this video, I'm going to show one more function, convert function. This function takes a number in a certain unit and convert it to another. For example, it can take a number in inch and give it back in meters. This function takes three arguments. The first argument is the number you want to convert. Second argument is the unit from, which is the unit your number is currently in. And the third argument is the unit to, which is the unit you want to convert your number to. Here we go. We have a number in inches and we want to convert it to be a number in meters. The first argument is the number itself, which is in cell P3. We have 1 here. Second argument is the unit from, between two quotations, IN, which means inches. Third argument is the unit 2, which is M, between two quotations, which means meters. And here we go, the result is 0.0254 meters, which means 2.54 centimeters. And for another example, if we have a number in horsepower, we want to change it in watt. Thus, we can use convert function to make it happen. So 1 horsepower means 745.69987 watt. Let's see it in Excel sheet. Here we go. We say equal, convert, between two parentheses. The first argument is the number itself. Second argument is the unit from, and I can choose any units from this list. Now I choose IN, which means inches. And the third argument is meters, which is right there. Enter 0.0254. Here is the result. Again, number in horsepower. We want to change this in watt. We use the same function. I can take it, copy, paste, and change here IN to be HP and M to W, which is watt. And here we go. Thank you very much for watching this video and see you next one.